And these are the invisible passion twists we did on my daughter's hair. Are you guys interested to know how to get this done? Stay tuned. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah. Hey, you all, welcome to my channel. This is my daughter's hair, Precious. I started pretty much by trying to detangle her hair to the best. Never cut their hair, nor perm their hair. I use like a blow dryer, but you can see she has a lot of hair. Long story short, I'm like, I'm not gonna kill myself. This style still has to come out the way it's supposed to come out. Pretty much what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to pat the front hair. That's what makes it really looking neat, and as I said, it's invisible crochet. This is the main part. If you get this part, I'm telling you, your hair is gonna be flawless. I'm here, I have nails, and I'm like, I'm not killing myself. With this hair, we're gonna get it done in less than an hour. Yep. So as you can see, I patted down the front, and then I said I'm gonna use the braid gel to make it a little bit smooth. So that's just gel, and I start off by the side. I'm using the rubber band method. So pretty much I'm just partitioning the hair into little bits. As you can see, take a little bit of the braid gel, make it a little bit smooth. You don't need a lot, just want a little bit, and then make sure the lines are clear. I like to be really precise, but you know, I'm not gonna spend my whole time doing her hair tonight because I have 2 heads to do, and if possible 3. As you guys know, I have 3 girls. So let's get going. I patted that, and I am using rubber bands. These are the rubber bands I got from the beauty supply. I used 2 rubber bands each. So Precious is about to give me this. She doesn't like this process, but oh well. Yeah, so she gives me 2 rubber bands each. And with the rubber bands, pretty much I just hold each part. As you can see, I hold each part. Just make sure it's neat and laid down. So she has a lot of hair. So that's it. As you can see, I'm going pretty fast with the rest of the braids at the front. These are not braids, excuse me. I'm just using the rubber band method, and I'm going on each side of the head till I'm done with the entire front process. So enjoy this while I get done. Yeah, I'm almost halfway gone. As you see, I started off again from the other side in order to make it like even on both sides of the head, and then I'm going to meet at the center of her head. So that's the technique to make it really appear fuller. My daughter has a lot of hair, but yeah, we're getting it going. And for this, I always use dividers so hair doesn't get in the way when I'm doing their hair. That kind of helps me out because it makes it a little bit organized and neat. So yeah. Enjoy the process. Almost there, almost there. And yes, that's the last one. We are done. So you can see from the front that this already looks neat. That's what is gonna make it invisible. So we're gonna be using these 3 trace passion twist crochet braid hair. I bought 3 packs to use on each of their hair. I don't think I'm gonna use all, but this is a new method I'm going to be doing on my daughter's hair. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to crochet each of those. I'm going to crochet it, and the manner in which I crochet it, once you pass the pin inside, you kind of take her natural hair and flip it towards the back of her head, if it makes sense. So just watch me on how I do it. I don't know if I explain it really good, but just watch how I do it and I think you're gonna get it. Yeah, this is the part where I was explaining. So high natural hair goes to the back, you see that, and that's what gives it that invisible look. Just watch me while I do this. It's pretty easy. Once you get it, you open the knot of the crochet like that. I'm trying my best so that you guys can see. My daughter is not cooperating, but oh well. I bet you guys get it. So that's her hair. I'm actually pulling inside the crochet and it goes towards the back. So enjoy this process too. And I'm almost done. As you can see, we are done with the front and it looks pretty neat. So for the back, I don't really care. She has a lot of hair. I'm not gonna kill myself. I just want a really neat look. So what I'm doing at the back, I'm still using the rubber band method. I just section her hair. It's not really neat. The back doesn't really matter. So I just make like crisscross with rubber bands at the back. I didn't do no cornrows or so, just crisscross, just for it to look like cornrows. So yeah, the back is not the best, but I think this is one of the fastest ways and the neatest ways to get crochet done. So watch me and enjoy the process. And then I'm done with the back. It doesn't really matter. As you can see, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna use a stocking cap, the one with the fishnet holes. As you see, I put it at the back of her hair, and then I'm gonna begin to crochet on that net. So I'm just gonna fill in the spots. I want it to be filled up in such a way she can hold her hair into like half up, half down. That's the purpose of it. So this is the best way and this is the fastest way. You guys see Miss Boss at the back, but yeah, we're getting it going. They're all waiting for their hair to be done. So let's get this rolling. And we are almost done. I'm just looking at the spot where it needs to be filled up. For me, it looks pretty neat. I'm telling you, my daughter loves it. And it's light. It looks so heavy and thick, but it's light. Finally, I used like 2.5 pack of the free trace passion twist. So yeah, this is it. We are done. I'm just holding it up into like a little ponytail, half up, half down. So hope you guys did enjoy this video and hope you learned. Just see your baby girl rocking her hair. She loves her hair. This process took me about an hour 15 minutes to get done. So if I can do it, you can do it. The front just needs to be neat, and that's all you need to know. So hope you guys did really enjoy this video. It's your girl, the fashionable Hannah, serving you with fashion, lifestyle and family. Thank you guys for watching and hope you have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.